Hi Songwriters, my name is Francesca de Valence and I'm the founder of I Heart Songwriting Club. I'm coming to Melbourne on the 6th of July to run a free workshop for songwriters of all ages and songwriters of all levels and all experience levels. If you're a songwriter who struggles with writer's block or procrastination or perfectionism, self-judgment, time management even, if you're really struggling to carve out time to do this, or if you're feeling really isolated in your songwriting practice, this would be an amazing workshop for you to come to so that you can actually learn my 5 powerful pathways to a successful music career that you love and making your wildest creative dreams come true. And I use that word wildest creative dreams so much because I travel around the world creating music, writing songs in amazing cities like Paris and Dublin, and get to play my songs on stages. So I'm going to share with you my secrets, and those secrets that have actually helped over 400 songwriters from over 14 countries around the world write over 6,500 songs. So if you want to learn those secrets, this is totally free. I'd really love to share with you guys. Stop doing it alone. Stop being isolated and really be a part of, be a part of this event so that you can connect with me, learn my secrets, and connect with other songwriters in the room. I look forward to seeing you there. Register and grab your free ticket now before they all book out. See ya.